I was young, I had dreams of glory. All these mistakes seem to come like a flood. I'm waiting for you. Yeah, I'm waiting for you. So come
Sobrang cliche pero gusto ko yung respectful tapos may takot kay Lord. Tapos yung direct siya, hindi siya yung kagaya ng iba na sa umpisa lang magaling siya, consistent siya, tapos persistent siya.
You say you'll be down in 5. The smell of your perfume is floating down the stairs. You're fixing up your hair like you do.
Lager na ako! Papablog ako!
I know that I'll be a mess the second that I see you.
Kasi mahilig kami dati kasi wala namang ginagawa sa Saudi. Minsan nagla-live lang yung mga kasama ko. Uso dati yung Samyang Challenge. Tapos, ayun, nag-live yung isang kasama ko na nurse sa work. Tapos, nanood siya. Tapos, nag-comment na rin siya. Tapos,
Common friend, pinakilala kami sa isa't isa. Nagkabiruan na sabi, meet up. Ayun, finally nag-click kahit na hindi kami nakapagkita since bawal nga sa abroad.
Never ka na ulit nag-iisa. Aalagaan kita. And I will protect you as your husband. And I will be a responsible head of our family. And our role model. And be your companion for life. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin.
darating yung time na minsan mapapagod and maiinis tayo sa isa't isa. Balikan lang natin lagi kung saan at paano tayo nag-start.
Finally, dumating na ang araw na pinakahihintay natin. After so much delay, many challenges, and of course, disappointments, arguments, expectations, we made it through and we are here right now.
Speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless. You already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room. I'm speechless. Yeah, baby.
Daniel must be very loyal to one another at all times. Well, Daniel and Ivy, hindi naman ibig sabihin ngayong bilang ganap na mag-asawa na kayo, mangangahulugan na rin itong magiging magkasama na rin kayo sa lahat ng oras ng buhay ninyo.
Magiging best partner mo ako sa lahat. I will always choose you every day sa bawat decisions and every chapter ng buhay natin. I will honor you, respect you, and support you.
I'm speechless. You already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room.